Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with PayPal. Very simple. Come to roblox.com and then here at the top I want you to click on a Robux. First we need to choose the plan we want to go ahead and buy, what purchase. So let's say you want to buy for $9.99, 1,000 Robux. So they're actually giving about 200 more right now, so we'll go for this one, right? So you just choose whatever option you want and then here you just wait for this. Okay, it's not fully loaded up. If you don't see PayPal, it's okay. Just wait. Now here you go. You see? The PayPal option shows up. You just go ahead and click on this, and then it will bring you this pop-up. Now in this pop-up, they'll first send you a code to your phone number so that you can verify yourself. Okay, so you're just going to wait for this page to load up right now. So that is currently loading up. And basically, what you need to do is log in using that code. And once you log in, it will, authorize PayPal for a Roblox. And then you can just go ahead and buy your Robux via PayPal once you're actually logged in. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.